Hello guys, it's King here. And even though this was a year ago,
And today we're going to explain the SuperVine fire alarm system.
I just wanted to continue it by using Minecraft Java Edition. Yeah, this is the 1.16.2 Java. Minecraft, but look at this house. It's so big. Kinda big though. So anyway, let's get into it. Yes, I'm using these scaffolding things. Has elevators, and we have less lighting. But whatever. Let's get into the fire alarm control panel. Right here we have the whole control panel itself with an extra LED light. So here we got the AC power and the fire alarm and the silenced. I finally got some room to put the silenced. We have the silence button, reset button, and a drill button. And we got the reset in progress button. So we have the fire alarm that blinks. Yes, this is the fire alarm that blinks. But I forgot to go in here first before we get into the fire alarms. So this is the reset scripts or command blocks. These are probably one of these lights that to reset. This is the silence. This is where you silence all of the horns. And this is the fire alarm section. This is where everything here is just horns that activates. And here's all the lights that activate. Alarm flashes, I say. But here's the drill. Here's the silence command block. And here's the reset command blocks. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. Okay, here's the server room and the fire alarm push station itself. Here's the remote light. Here's the server room itself. I have mine server 2015. Sorry for the hiccups. Having some hiccups here because I don't know why, but here, let's shut it down for now. This is the storage room where all this chest is here. Turn that off. This is the push station. Alright. This is where we go into the entertainment center. And here's another with a light and horn. Yeah, that's the heart one. So this is where we push to activate. This is zone 2. His, for some reason, it's still on. I forgot to set it to turn off, but it's okay for now. I'll fix that later. It just low frequency, I guess. This is the kitchen where the push station zone 3 is here. These are the bedrooms where the remote light is there. Now, there's the TV and books and the couches. There's the table and furnaces and chest. There's the bedrooms. see my bedroom. So, as I have enough time to fix this problem, I'm gonna fix it now. So, now, BRB. So, now I'm back. Now let's get on to it. First zone is this zone is where the server room comes in. So let's go ahead and the time of 3, 2, 1. See? Okay, so let's do zone 2. This is where the entertainment center is. This is the entertainment center, like I just said. So, I forgot to count, so, whatever. This is the frequency thing, whereas it's just playing the bit. Let's look at the lights. It looked fine. Alright. Alright, so let's press that. And since I forgot to count, I'll count this time. Like again. Alright, so let's go to the kitchen and the count of 3, 2, 1. You know, ever wanted to see what's outside? Yep, that's a bell. Maybe if you wanted to go outside, like, order everyone to go outside. Okay, so about this command block thing, I've been working on it. It's kind of a command block house, but anyway, as I know, I just put in the link and it outputs which zone is activated. See? Now to reset that. Alright, done. I think that's about it. I fixed that one thing that was still on. Yeah, I did. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And I might see you in the next video. Goodbye. And see you anywhere I go.